It is another day moving in. I was literally just about to do my makeup and then I got a call saying the sofa's on the way. It's now been delivered. I was really excited, but now they left it like this. That's right, they've left it stood up over there when it needs to be over here as well. And I'm a small person. The two guys that like delivered this, they were giant. Like their heads was almost at the ceiling, which was, I was like, what on earth is going on? So I'm gonna have to probably wait until Joey's home, which isn't for hours, it's only 12. Or I can attempt it. I might open it, get all the cardboard off and then see how it goes. I feel like it's not gonna happen, you know? But also last night we put up our clock, so now I've got a clock up there, and as you saw I finished the wall in the office, which I'm really happy about. My plan today was to just be like, oh look, a sofa, and then edit all day because I haven't got anything else. Oh, and I want to get my nails done. And then my plan was just to edit all of these, so I've got them ready to upload. But I'm just looking at this box and thinking, So here's all the feet that I need to put on to this. This is by far the scariest thing, because if this topples over, it will either break something in this flat or me. I'm very scared. I feel like I don't know what the best way to do this is. Feet are now on. All that's left is to put it into place. I don't think I'm gonna film this. I'll just tell you when it's done because I feel like it'll go wrong. I did it! Success! It's on the floor! Yes! Oh, that was the scariest thing. My heart was racing so much, but I did it. I hope that's right. Oh my god, look, we have a sofa! That was actually really easy to move. I was panicking about nothing, but oh my god, look at it! I mean, we need to move this a little bit so it's all in line and everything, but we've got a living room! So it's like a velvet green. I think it was called forest green or something. Oh, it's very hard. Loosen it up a bit. It's quite hard, but at the same time, very comfy. I am so happy. I'm now going to send a picture to Joey so he sees it. I very much realise I don't look very nice. I was sick last night. Fun stuff. A little bit fragile. I'm just trying to be. Today is the 13th, so it's been a while since I last filmed. Me and Joey just had the weekend to do pretty much nothing. We didn't really want to do anything. I just want to show you the things that we have done, and then I can slowly get on with my day. Firstly, in the bedroom we now have a chest of drawers. Joey spray painted these white because they were like, that's the colour it was inside. We decided we'd rather it white, so Joey spray painted it white. Joey's already put his stuff in there. I haven't unpacked anything yet because I didn't want to do it over the weekend. I just wanted to chill because obviously I built a bed and did all sorts of things. So I haven't done that yet, but this is where pants, socks, bottom half of things are going to go in, and I've also got a space under the bed because we have these drawers. Joey's already filled his up, mine is not done yet. We also had to buy more hangers because we didn't have enough. Joey's got all his stuff up now. I haven't done mine yet, so I'm going to do that today as well. We then have our table. I mean, you've seen the chair. We've been absolutely loving it. Like, it's so comfy. We were worried it was going to be a little bit too uncomfortable, but it was actually so comfy. We've got our coffee table. We've now put some books underneath because Joey has this massive bag of books. How large is that? And as you can see, we have a plant. I've never owned a plant before, but we have one. If anyone has any recommendations on how to look after plants or these kind of plants, or know anything about plants at all, please let me know, because honestly, I'm absolutely clueless. First time ever owning a plant in my life. But I think it looks pretty cute. We kind of want it on maybe a stand or something, just so it's a little bit higher up. And then we also got these 3 plants. So these are all just from a local garden centre. Nothing more to it other than that. Again, if anyone knows anything about how to look after these plants, let me know. Have I put them in a good place? They get a bit of sun sometimes. I don't know if that's a good thing. Tell me if it's not, because I really don't know, and I'd love all the advice because I would like to keep these plants alive. In the hallway here, we have Joey's degree up. He wanted to put it somewhere. We thought the hallway would look quite nice. He can put up all his different
things he wants along the walls and everything. The office, however, is still a giant mess. I've got 2 little plants in here as well, so when I'm filming, I'll be sat here and you'll be able to see the plants in the background along with my wall. It's such a mess, I'm so sorry. But that is pretty much where we're at the moment. As you can see, it's well, you can't actually see that, but it's getting dark in here now. I've just finished editing the first moving vlog. It took me so long. As you are watching this vlog, my discount code for Arista Living is still live. So if you do want the bed that I showed you earlier, or to create your own on their website, you can get 50% off. 50% off. I don't think you realise how good that is on like a £500 bed. That's amazing. And that bed, I tell you what, I've never had such a good sleep on that bed. You can get 50% off by using my code. That'll be on the screen now and it'll all be linked down below. I just thought I'd remind you that you can still use that, which is incredible. I love that bed. It's the best sleep I've ever had in my life. Now I'm gonna clean this up a bit. Hello everyone, it is now another day. I'm sorry I did not film much yesterday at all, but editing took way longer than I thought and I just felt too fragile to properly do anything. But today we've got pretty much every single parcel coming. I've already had delivered the shelves for the living room and the shelves are in here. I'm in my office if you couldn't tell, it's a white wall. They were meant to come until Saturday, so I'm really happy about that because they've arrived, meaning I can sort out this room, finally. I can sort out the living room properly. We can sort everything out properly now, so everything won't be just everywhere. There is a place for everything to go now, which is incredible. It's all I wanted. Obviously we won't be completely done, but it's the main bulk of it will be done, which is incredible. I'm so happy with that. I've got a lot of building to do today. I'm getting the chairs today as well, the bar stools, and the mirror is coming, and then the 2 shelves are here. All coming together now. Very exciting. We have finished making our first thing today. So these are the shelves that are going to go into the office. So I'm going to put them in there now and I'll show you where these are going. So it actually fits pretty perfectly. I kind of wish you could see it properly and this wasn't blocking it, but this is just longer and the wall does come out. Pretty much going to put all this stuff in that box onto these shelves. So this is what the table is looking like. This is what I meant by I have just a lot of stuff I need to put somewhere. So on top we have our hair stuff, other than like, this is nails, this is like a epilator type thing, and then cotton buds and cotton wool pads because they couldn't fit on the skincare one, as you can very clearly see. And the rest of my hair stuff is down there. So my straighteners, my curlers and everything is just down there. That's a pillow of my dog because my dad got it for Christmas and I miss my dog. Then on the second one we've got skincare. I think this is my favorite one and I kind of wish I put it on the top. I might actually change it around so this one's on the top because it is the nicest looking one. This is all my skincare stuff, so loads of face masks, face wipes, creams, and then this is all my Pixi stuff because their skincare is the best and they always send it to me. So thank you so much to Pixi for always keeping me up with my skincare. And then on the bottom we've got body stuff. So we've got fake tans all in this side with the mitts. We've got some waxing strips. I don't really use waxing strips, but it's good to have them. And then the body stuff, so Soap and Glory stuff, Body Shop stuff, and then various other bits and pieces, some for the shower, some like body creams and stuff. But yeah, that is what we're looking at. I think I am going to swap these around though. There we go, I have now changed them around. It looks so much nicer. Plus I've taken out the nail varnishes and lined them up and just put the bag and stuff at the back so it's not as messy. So there's a little bit more room if I do end up getting more stuff, which is great because there is no more room in these makeup drawers whatsoever. So I kind of need all the room I can get. So at least I've got this area now. And then obviously this is still the same. We now have another box. This box is just full of rubbish that we can't really get rid of at the moment. This is our chairs. Somehow, this is our chairs. I kind of thought they were going to be pre-built, but clearly not. As you can see, I got out the mirror and put it up. Obviously it's just like leaning against the wall, but hello, this is the mirror. I actually really like this mirror. I haven't tried it with the fairy lights on yet, but this is what it looks like. It definitely needs to go up onto the wall. It looks a little bit weird right now, just like leaning against it, but I'm not going to do that on my own. But this is the mirror. We got it from Wayfair. Smallest bit of detailing on it, but you really can't tell all that much. But it's a really nice mirror. It's basically the same size as one from IKEA. £20 more than the one in IKEA, but the IKEA delivery was £40. So it was actually cheaper getting this, which was free delivery. So we picked this one up. And to be honest, it's probably a little bit better quality just because of how sturdy this outer bit is compared to the IKEA one, which is just a border. But yeah, we finally have a mirror. We haven't been able to look at ourselves at all since living here, other than in the bathroom. My next mission, and the last mission we have, is to build this. And that's it. That's everything to build. Let's get on and build the last thing. And then we need to somehow clean this place. The bins came yesterday, so I don't know when this is all gonna go. I'm gonna sit for a little bit because I have not stopped building for about a week straight now, and I need to like chill a little bit, I think. But everything is built at last. Hi, it's now many days later. I know this vlog is very much all over the place, but I did say from now on it probably will be because we don't have as much to do. For the first time since we've moved in, this is actually going to look somewhat finished, we hope. We tried putting the mirror up the other day with those command strips that I was talking about because they're really good, and we put our last mirror up with them, but this mirror is just too heavy. It's huge. I think I've shown you the mirror. I really can't remember what I filmed and what I haven't filmed. I let Joey finish the shelving unit in the living room because it's full of his stuff. Like, none of the stuff on there is mine, so I let him do what he wanted with it. So when he came home from work, he just did it. I didn't film it because I don't know why. I just didn't think about it. He just did it like really quickly and it was just done. It looks incredible though. I'll show you in a second. I'll go show you our almost finished living room now. I'm just literally waiting for vlog number 2 to download onto my laptop. Well, actually download onto my disk drive to put onto my laptop. It's all very confusing, but I need to edit that because I decided today I would go out and explore the whole area, which is not the greatest day to do it because I need to edit this for tomorrow, but it's 4 PM. Oh well. Joey has a hell of a lot of records, as you can see. So because he has so many of them, when he was putting them on, he was gonna stand them upright because that's how you're meant to keep records, but they don't fit properly and they just keep falling because nothing's strong enough to like keep them all up because there's so many. So he's had to like lay them out like this. Please don't come for us just because we've laid down the records. He's sorted them out into ones that he will actually use and ones that he has but probably won't use that much, so he's put them in there because when you put loads and loads and loads on, it was bowing this whole thing, because it would be fine if this was thinner, but because it's really quite long, it just makes it in the middle weaker than what it usually would be, if that makes sense. Got a Halsey Bandlands one, and I got my Manic one today because today is the day that Manic has come out. There it is. We shall. There we go. 2 Halsey albums there. Then we have all of his books. I don't really know what they are. I wish I could talk through them, but honestly, I have no idea what they are at all. And then on the top, we've got the record player, This is from HMV. This was in the sale section. And then we've got loads of cards because it was Joey's birthday yesterday as I'm filming this. This is what the bar stools now look like. How lovely. This is our mirror, because I really can't remember if I showed you or not. I'm pretty sure I did, but that is the mirror. So we do want it up a bit because it looks a little bit funny at the moment, but we just need to know how to put it up. Then obviously my desk area you've seen, but this is still what's going on the floor. You know, like how every single house has like that one drawer that is full of just stuff where you don't really know where it goes, so it's just in a drawer. We don't have one of those. We've got cupboard space, but not drawers. So that is a little update for you guys to do with our house. I've definitely looked better. It may seem like another day, well it is obviously, but it's actually editing me because I didn't film an outro again, because I never know when these are finishing, because I just kind of film them and see what happens and see what fits and what doesn't together. But I've got to the end now. I've got no more footage. We haven't done anything else other than clean it all, and I don't want to show you too much of the place because I do want to do like a proper flat tour once everything has completely finished. But that should be the last of the moving vlogs for a little while until we do the other little bits and pieces that we need to do. So I wanted to come and say goodbye. Yeah, we've made quite a bit of progress, but mainly like cleaning things, so it wasn't very interesting for me to film anyway. You haven't missed out on much, don't worry. Very sorry, this vlog is very here, there and everywhere. I didn't really remember what I filmed and what I didn't film because it was over such a wide spread of days. I hope you did enjoy the moving vlogs. I'm pretty sure there'll be 1 or 2 more. I don't know, but there will be a full flat tour once everything has been completely finished, so keep your eyes peeled for that. So make sure you like this video if you did enjoy, and comment down below and hit subscribe button because I will still be uploading lots and lots on this channel, and I would love for you guys to still join me on my journey of whatever I'm doing. But yeah, I really hope you did enjoy this video and all the other moving vlogs. I cannot believe the love I've had on them, so thank you so much, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.